turbo tractor, and I love it. Ooh, the finest hose. Hey guys, and this one is a piece of shit. Now this one, let me tell you, this is the masterpiece, baby. You see the 2-speed plus reverse? Man, I got the 1, 2, and then the reverse. You feel me? Now watch me get on this motherfucker. Hold up. Here, this is where you're gonna see me do some old donuts with this here beast and beauty. Never try this at home, kids, unless you got supervision. Especially on a trampoline that doesn't have
It's time to kick up and chew ass.
See, you know how it is. I installed some new motors. These bad boys ain't gonna have a chance. It's another day at the motherfucking job. Another day at work, boys. Oh snap, hold up, let me turn around, buddy. Oh. Got you, man. Nothing runs better than a deer.